Shifting gears to chips industry, South Korea's parliamentary committee today passes a bill to give more tax incentives to companies making investments for chips and in other strategic industries as well. This is to help local companies get ahead in the global chip battlefield. South Korea could soon be able to expand tax benefits for chip-making conglomerates to a maximum of 25%. The Parliamentary Strategy and Finance Committee on Wednesday passed a bill revising the tax code to provide higher tax incentives for firms investing in the semiconductor industry and other strategic sectors, known as the K-CHIPS Act.
We have agreed on the K-CHIPS Act. South Korea can now get ahead in the global chips battlefield.
The tax credit for conglomerates investing in chip facilities will be almost doubled from the current 8% to 15%. Also, for small and medium-sized companies, the credit will be raised sharply from the current 16% to 25%. Including the additional 10% tax credit to be applied this year for increased investments in strategic technology, conglomerates will be getting a tax credit of up to 25%, and small and medium companies will be getting up to 35%. Investment in other national strategic industries, including secondary cell batteries, displays, and vaccines, are also subject to tax incentives.
High-tech designated by the presidential order, such as hydrogen and future mobility, are also included.
The bill will be submitted to the Judiciary Committee, and once approved, it'll likely be put up for a final vote at a plenary session next Thursday.